Hello and welcome back to our software engineering series. So I've been thinking about what we should actually be learning in our next set of videos for this series, and originally I was going to have us jump into actually writing some programs. Um, but I was thinking about it when I was going through and coming up with the programs that we're going to be writing, and I realized that we still need to get some of the basics underneath our belt. There's a lot of problems in uh, computer science that we're going to, or when we, sorry, there's a lot of problems that we're going to run into when we're designing our software that are actually fairly generic. And if we don't already know how to solve these problems, we're going to spend a lot of time kind of spinning our wheels in the mud, unless I just tell you the answer, to come up with those solutions. So in order to actually get a more solid foundation of what those common types of problems that we're going to probably see, we're going to spend some time focusing on algorithms. Like I said, there's many different faces to the problems that we're going to see, but they all boil down to, so no, they don't all boil down to, but many of them boil down to a class of problem set that is easily solvable if you can identify which problem set the problem actually belongs to. And so that's what we're going to be spending the next couple of weeks. I'm guessing anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, looking through different algorithms and some data structures to help us uh, solve the problem once we actually can put it in one of the proper buckets. And if we can't fit it into a bucket, we're going to know some data structures and algorithms that are going to allow us to at least start to brainstorm and answer to some of the solutions that we can come up with. So with that, let's go ahead and get started with our first video.